If you're transferring a car title in North Carolina, here's what to do step by step. Start by opening your browser and typing "Transfer a car title in North Carolina." Click on the first official site. It should end in .gov. Once the page loads, you'll find all the instructions listed clearly. Whether you're buying, selling, gifting, or donating a vehicle, the title has to be officially transferred. You can do this either by visiting an NC DMV license plate agency in person or by mailing in your paperwork. Now let's go over what you'll need. First, make sure you have valid proof of liability insurance. That's required before anything else. Then, gather your paperwork. You'll need to fill out the proper forms, which are available on the DMV website or at any DMV office. On the back of the car's title, both the seller and the buyer have to fill out some details. This includes the buyer's name and address, the date of the sale or when the car was handed over, the seller's signature along with their printed name, and the current odometer reading if that's required. If it's a North Carolina title, both signatures must be notarized. If the car comes from out of state, the DMV will follow that state's rules. You'll also be asked to disclose any existing damage on the vehicle, so make sure to include that if it applies. There's a special case if the car is being transferred between close family members, like between a parent and child or between spouses. In that case, the person receiving the car doesn't have to pay the highway use tax, but they do need to complete a form called the MVR 613, which is the tax exemption certificate. Once everything's filled out and ready, you'll just pay the required title transfer fee and you're done. That's all you need to complete a car title transfer in North Carolina, whether you're handling it in person or by mail.